Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take immediate action. Sign in to Azure CLI or the portal using a principal with contributor rights. Create a resource group in your target region and pick consistent names. Once done, initialize your deployment artifacts, ARM templates or bicep files, and validate them locally. Make sure to set subscription context and location flags so resources deploy to the right subscription and region. This sets a reproducible foundation and avoids later drift. You now implement the detailed deployment steps. Author templates with parameterization and modular files so you can reuse components. Include secure references for secrets rather than literal values. Validate templates using as deployment group validate or test as resource group deployment. Fix schema or dependency errors before running. When ready, deploy with incremental mode to avoid unintended deletions, or complete mode when you want strict conformity. Once started, monitor the operation, follow provisioning state, and capture outputs for downstream automation. You finish by verifying every resource, applying tags and locks, and exporting deployment outputs to your pipeline for consumption. Make sure access control is enforced by RBAC and that diagnostic settings forward logs to a storage account or log analytics workspace. If failures occur, check deployment operations and activity logs to find the failed resource and error code, then revalidate and redeploy only the affected module. A key tip: if stuck, run template validation and review the detailed provision error.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.